Of our visiting chef program. He's going to introduce you our pit master that we've had with us today. So go ahead, Chef Larry.
So good evening and thank you for coming. If you've had any of the pulled pork tonight, the amazing pulled pork, that was done by Chris Capel, the owner of Dizzy Pig, who's been here all day since 8:30 in the morning.
Hey, I'm here with Larry Zillick. We are about to cook some pork butts for the volunteers that come to the Willing Warrior Retreat and help out with their amazing mission. So what, we got 30
to 40, yeah.
30 to 40 people coming. A lot of volunteers are involved in this wonderful thing you got going on.
Yeah.
We've got some pork butts. We got rubbed with the spicy Dizzy dust, which is...
That's our logo.
That's Willing Warriors logo right there. We give a portion of our proceeds to support this awesome place. I got Raging River rub pork butts. We got 2 rub with spicy Dizzy dust because we wanted some spicy. We got smoke, hickory smoke coming out of the eggs, but a little strong right now, like a little rough. I know we want smoked food, but we don't want that flavor on our food. So we're gonna wait a little bit for this to get clean, blue, wonderful smelling smoke, and we're gonna put these on, do them hot and fast.
That's it?
We're going hot and fast today.
Yeah.
So
We don't have all that much time.
yeah. So here we are, we'll check back with you once we got some color on these things.
Thank you.
Wow. Pork butt, so that's called the money muscle. You see how
Okay, oh yeah, thank you.
tender?
It's awesome.
It's got our Raging River, which is
He likes spicy.
Just help myself do it?
Yep.
Thank you.
please.
Choose. Bring it in here. And he's been watching those pulled pork butts on 2 big green eggs. I read this story. Yeah. Oddly enough, on my Facebook page, it popped up yesterday pictures of when Chris donated those 2 green eggs to us 7 years ago. So we have put them to good use. We use them in November every year to smoke turkey breast for our home away from home dinner. About everything we cook, that I cook here, I use Dizzy Pig's seasonings and spices. He's very kind and donates to us any of the spices and seasonings that we need. Tonight we had Raging River on one.
Yes. Yeah, the Raging River is a rub I originally designed when I was working in my basement in Fairfax in 2002. So I designed the seasoning especially for salmon because I was trying to eat more salmon. And so it has maple sugar in it and some dill and coriander seed and like citrusy stuff that and lemon peel, but also some herbs. And I had a lot of fun. But I designed it for one thing only, and then I found out that it's really good on everything. And so that became our pork rub that we used in our competitions that we did. But anyway, I just wanted to say I'm just really glad to be here. I actually explored the property today. I wasn't standing there cooking the whole entire day. I was walking around through the woods and trying to throw. I actually lost a disc. Like I played disc golf, and I was thinking about where the fairways would be. But it's been fun sitting here with Larry and hearing his stories all day. I heard some amazing stories. You'll have to ask him to tell you the one about Keith Richards.
That's another day.
Yeah.
So Chris his plant and retail store is in Manassas. I encourage you to visit it. Yeah, 32 spices.
34,
34
I think,
now.
total, and counting our salt-free.
Right.
There's a lot of choices, and they're all good and balanced, and they're all different. So
His number
and
one.
they're all open in the store too. If you would just want to come by and just smell.
And we have
all
some
34 of
samples
them.
too. We have some samples here. His first one was Dizzy Dust, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then he came out with a line of spicy Dizzy Dust, and he put our logo on it, and a portion of the proceeds go to the Warrior Retreat. So I think he just gave us a check about a month ago for $2,500.
Thank you all for volunteering. I know you all have the same heart like that we do, and that you want to help, and it's like so cool being around you kind of people.
So enjoy. I think there's a little bit left too, if anybody wants.
Oh yeah, you left it in package. Still hot.